Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that most probably reshape how business owners and teams think about AI and automations. Because Google just launched a new no-code mini AI app builder called Google Opal. If you've ever wanted to create mini AI apps, many prototypes, or automate parts of your business without relying on developers and codings, this could be the most important updates you'll see this year. And in this video, we're going to unpack it together and see what Google Opal is and why it matters for most businesses, how it works, and what could it mean for your operations in the next few months. Let's get into it. So what exactly is Google Opal? It's an AI builder from Google Labs that lets anyone, yes, even non-technical people, to create AI-powered mini apps by prompting. So imagine saying, like, create me an assistant that can get me leads from my area. And Google Opal would just do that without you having to write a single line of code. It uses Gemini as its brain, which is the Google latest AI model, and it provides a simple visual editor where you can just drag and drop and maybe updates the automations a bit, making it very approachable for business owners, non-technical people, and managers who just want things to work. And this is very huge for businesses because most leaders know that AI, technology, automation, it saves time. It makes business more efficient. But the barrier is always technical complexity. Like, you need developers, integrations, long build cycles, and development. And Google Opal just breaks that barrier. It lets you and your team prototype and make internal tools, automate customer touchpoints, or even create mini assistant that handles repetitive process, all using your natural language. So think about it like this. A marketing agency could instantly build a campaign brief generator. A consulting firm could design a lead qualification assistant. And any brand could build a content planner that adapts daily or weekly or whatever you want. And this is what makes Opal so powerful, because it puts the tech in the hand of the decision makers, not just developers. So let's go and see how it works. So if you go to Chrome or any kind of browser that you have, and then let's type in Opal, the first thing that should pop up is Google Opal. So let's click on that. And let's see how this looks in practice. So currently we are in the Opal dashboard, you could say the landing page. You could see here, it already explains how does the AI mini apps works. You have some kind of visual builder, where each steps of this process, of this parts, let's say, it represents your business logic. From taking an input and then processing the data and then generating the output. You'll see how fast it turns your prompt right here into a working, functional mini app ready to share or test internally. But before all of that, let's sign in first. And as you can see here, we already have a lot of templates here from Google. And if your business use case involves one of this, I suggest to just use it, because it is made from the Opal team itself. Let's try to use one of it. Let's go with product research, because I think every company needs to research their product. And as you can see here, this is the visual app builder. This is the input, and then this is what they do, the processing, and then this is the output. Let's try and test it first before we do anything. So let's click start in here. Go with a chocolate, pretty generic one. What are my preferences? White chocolate. Okay, now it's thinking, it's conducting product research, it's searching the webs, getting everything online on websites about chocolate and white chocolate, and then it's making the report. Okay, now it's done, and let's see the report. That's the introduction, key comparison factors, top recommendation, widely available, excellent options, all of this stuff. Let's see if we could download it. And it is downloaded as an HTML. Oh, okay. This looks great. Now, let's say you want to improve this or make it work for your business. You can click the remix here. Remix just means that you want to update it. So in here, as you can see now, we could update it. And as you can see here, we have 4 types of the visual builder tools. We have the user input, the generate, the output, and then if you want to have some assets like upload file, go to your drive, YouTube, and that kind of stuff. Or if you don't want to play with this nodes, you could just suggest another, like right here. So just make it, let's say the report is very bland because it doesn't have any image. So let's say I want the report to also display images. So let's see. And now it's processing. And as you can see, it is done now. Now it's product research remix. And as you can see, it is a bit different. They add some step here to generate the product image. Let's test it out. Let's test the same one, which is chocolate. And then the preference also the same, white chocolate. And as you can see now, it is done. It is kind of the same, but now it has visual, which is very great, very tempting white chocolate. So there you go. This is if you want to use their own like template from the Google Opal teams. Now let's say we want to create a new one literally from scratch, and we could definitely do that. You just go back to the Opal, the dashboard, and then you just go to create new right here. And then let's say we want to create an assistant that can get leads from the area that I put in. Something like this. And it's done. The name is cool though, Lead Finder. And it has this cool image right here. So let's see, it needs the keyword and then the location. So let's go ahead and test it out. So I want to search in New York, let's say. And then I want to search for a Chinese restaurant. It's your map search query. It's searching the business location using Google Maps, I think. It has search maps right here. And then in here, the step will be formatting the business leads, and that would generate the report into an HTML web page. Let's see. And as you can see here, we got the leads. Let's try to download the file so we can see it correctly. And the HTML, as you can see here, we have a lot actually, and they give us the name and address, and for the contact info, looks like they don't really, sometimes they get it, sometimes they don't. And actually we could definitely prompt this out to update it to only get the one that has maybe a valid phone number, or give us the website, like the real websites. We could definitely try to do that. But there you go. It has the capabilities to search Google Maps, and it actually has more capabilities right here. So it could search the web, search the maps, get web pages, get the weather, and then the code executions. So that is definitely something powerful, and we could change the Gemini to something else. We can use Imagen, AudioLM, Veo, or the 2.5 Pro. And let's say that this app is ready to share. We can click the share app right here. We could either publish it, or in here, you could just add who you want to add in here. So it will still be restricted, but like how you would share a Google Drive files, you know? So that is it. That's your Google Opal. Now this is still the early days of Google Opal. It's currently rolling out globally in currently 160 countries, but it's not a full-scale production tool just yet. However, this is where strategic thinking comes in. Tools like Opal show where the world is heading, which is accessible automation that empowers every member of your team to build small, meaningful, powerful tools. For business owners, the real opportunity isn't just about learning how to use Google Opal. It's about learning how to think in systems. Once you grasp that, all those platforms about technologies, AI, and automations like Anadan, Meg.com, ChatGPT, everything just become a natural steps to scale those ideas. And that's Google Opal that once again proved that the no-code AI era is officially here. If you're a business owner wondering how to bring automations into real-world businesses, reach out for a free consultation with Axe Automation, and we will help you identify where tools like Google Opal fits into your business and how to scale beyond prototypes to real operation systems. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts about this thing right here. Could a no-code AI builder app change how your business runs? Comment it down below. Thank you.